everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we've got today's top 5 plants. We are kicking it off with this beautiful basket. This is a Supertunia Vista hanging basket. In the mix we have bubblegum, silverberry, and paradise. These baskets, we did a late batch of these up. I think we planted them around May long weekend so that we would have something just super fresh for the summertime. We have a good amount of these. We always want to have something that looks amazing in the summer. So if you have an event coming up or something unexpected and you need some more flowers, these are simply beautiful. Drop it into a planter, take the hanger off, or hang them. Next for today's top 5 is a spider plant. So these are super cool. You can grow these outdoors in a shady spot. Bring them inside, grow them as a house plant all winter long. They can always be a house plant. In the house, put them in some sun. But outside, definitely in the shade, otherwise you will get burnt tips. There's quite a bit of sun in here, and we do see a little bit of tip burn because we don't have quite enough shade. These little pots are super cute and go with any decor. Hanger on or hanger off. We're here at the end of July, and this time of year you might have a couple of holes in your garden beds or in your planters. We have some beautiful looking Coleus. What's amazing about Coleus is you can grow these Coleus outdoors in the sun all the way to full shade. The newer varieties handle the sun perfectly, and you see these rich tones. But you can bring it indoors before we get a hard frost and grow it as a houseplant. And it makes a fantastic houseplant. Give it lots of sunlight indoors. Like most houseplants, they need maximum light. Where we are in Alberta, we have very low light levels during the winter time, but they will still grow great for you inside. If you have a hole in one of your planters and you only have room for one plant, I would add this. This is called Cuphea Vermillionaire, and it is by Proven Winners. It is what is commonly called a cigar plant based on the color of the bloom, but this is a hummingbird magnet. We have a bunch of these and they do look really good. That orange is stunning, but it really does attract the hummingbirds, and if you've got hummingbirds in your area, they will be buzzing around this plant. You can grow this in like part shade all the way to full sun, and yeah, they're nice and branchy. And again, if you only had one spot to put one more plant, I'd add a Cuphea. For our final plant for today's top 5, we have this beautiful Rudbeckia. This variety is from New Blooms. New Blooms is a flower show where we grow plants that are actually for the next growing season. So this Rudbeckia is a Sunbeckia in the Sunbeckia series, and the color is called Graffiti Cherry. It has so many petals on here. It is very pretty, very stunning from a distance. Look at how it pops on the plant wall there. We love Rudbeckia. It's probably our top landscape plant. And although it is not a perennial, we often have Rudbeckia naturally reseeding themselves in our flower beds. If you leave the flowers on in the fall is when we have the most success with that. If you clean out your entire flower bed or planters, they're not maybe giving it enough opportunity to seed itself. So yeah, this is beautiful. And we do have a few Rudbeckia in stock. Again, if you have just a few spots to fill in for an event coming up, we have some beautiful plants. Right now we're open Saturdays and Sundays from 10 to 4. So maybe we'll see you on the weekend. Bye for now.